In this video, I'll show you how to install Node.js on Windows, step by step. If you're starting with JavaScript development, or planning to use tools like NPM, this is the very first setup you need. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Node.js website. You can simply search for Node.js on Google and click on the first official link. Once the website opens, you'll see multiple versions of Node.js available. Choose the version you want. For this demo, I'm selecting version 25. Now click on the Windows Installer.msi to start downloading. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Double-click to start the installation process. Click on Next. Accept the license agreement and continue. Make sure all the default options are selected, especially NPM. These are usually enabled by default, so you can proceed safely. Keep everything as default and click Next. Then click Install to begin the installation. If prompted, provide administrator access to continue. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Now let's verify if Node.js is installed correctly. Open Command Prompt. Type the following command, node-v. If you see a version number, Node.js is successfully installed. Next, check npm by typing npm-v. As you can see, npm is also installed correctly. Node.js allows you to run JavaScript outside the browser, and npm helps you install powerful libraries and tools. You can now start building applications or install frameworks like React, Angular, or Express. That's it. You've successfully installed Node.js on Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tech tutorials.